Hi guys, potential setup on pound yen. Just remember that volatility is low because of the liquidity in the markets. Obviously it's the holiday season, so if this is absolutely perfect, then I'll enter this tomorrow. I'll show you where I'll be entering and whatnot. So we'll start off on the quarterly. So you can see this is a huge candle. So at the moment it looks like it's rejecting this channel, but you know, if you actually work out at the end of this month, which will be the end of the quarter, if this candle here, if this closes up here, then we've got a huge engulfing candle, which just shows that the price will just carry on going all the way up. On the monthly, you can see, so channel here descending. It's looking like it wants to break out. It is a negative though, that you can see that we've got this channel. It's fairly clean, and at the moment it's creating a low test, but it does, you know, if it's going to break out, it's going to break out. For me, it's worth the 1% risk. On the weekly, again, on the weekly it's slightly different. So you can see we've got this weekly level here at 142.5. This level here, you can see prices broken out of it, and now it's coming to retest it. If we go down, you can see here, so acceleration up, prices come down, slowed down, and now it looks like the move is starting to happen. On the 4 hour it makes a bit more sense. So got it all drawn out already. This is irrelevant at the moment. So what we basically have here is we've got the bottoms, which interestingly you can see here. So you've got a decent bit of support. Well, what was resistance here? Resistance has now become support. So the price is broken out. I've put in the high here. Price is broken up, and then we're simply looking for the retest. So the retest of that 4 hour 50 EMA. Absolute perfect scenario would be a retest of 382 Fibonacci, or maybe even slightly lower to 0.5. But you can see price is just moving down. Stop would need to be behind 618 Fibonacci, but if we go down to the 1 hour, you can see here, so we've got the highs here, so it would be nice if we could get a low here touching the highs. And if you look, you know, if we line that up there, try and keep it as level as possible, you can see here you've got decent bit, so it all line up, which is nice. Target wise, I'm probably going to target the highs, or if not longer, only because if we do get a high monthly close, let's go back to the monthly just to, if we're getting a decent monthly close here and it's above that monthly 50 EMA, then there's no reason why we can't target the real highs. But for a medium term, it would literally just be, where are we? Go on the daily, it would be the recent highs, which would still be around about a 5%, so 5.5% position. But I just want to make it clear that I'll only enter this if we see a good rejection from this 1 hour 50 EMA. Obviously we can draw something like this in as well, but you know, you get the point. I'd want to see a rejection of that 1 hour 50 EMA, maybe a low test, and then a 5 minute 50 EMA break to enter.